Hey boys and girls, this is Wildman Willis here doing another old school review. I'm looking at one of my favorite toy lines of all time, the Transformers. We're looking at a Target Master Transformer, the Decepticons, and this is Misfire. Basically, during the last series of the original run of the Generation 1 Transformers cartoon, they had the Headmaster series where the Autobots and Decepticons had to go to the planet Nebulos and had to get their weapons, and some had to get their heads exchanged with the nebulous creatures on the planet, and added a whole new dynamic of the Transformers series. But we never knew how that war ended because the way that series ended. But we're just going to look at this Cybertronian Decepticon jet and its transformation. It's a very simple transformation. It doesn't take that long to do it. Ain't much to do to it. The original Transformers was always very easy to deal with when it comes to transforming these things. Let me see if I remember how to do this mess. See how easy that was? Voila! You put the robot gun on top, and that's basically how it looks in its transformation mode. Very interesting and unique looking jet. Pretty color on it, pretty design. We're gonna look at the gun that basically transforms. You just do it like this. Don't force it because you might break the ends on this, but that's basically how the robot gun looks transformed, and that's basically Misfire. So I hope you enjoyed this little review of this particular Transformer. This is Wildman Willis. Listen to me on the Terror Troop podcast, and follow me on my Twitter page, Nasty Will DC. And hope you enjoy these. See you next time.